Hello everyone! So since nag-ulan man karon, I decided nga mag-hotpot na lang me at home. So, let's go! Atong i-on ang atong induction. So atong hulaton nga mag-boil siya. So while waiting mag-boil atong water, I have here our veggies and our glass noodles. We also have pork sukiyaki and shabu-shabu mixed seafood balls. And of course, dili mahimo ang atong shabu-shabu if wala atong soup base. And for our dessert, since human naman ang Chinese New Year, nag-buy one take one na ang tikoy. So we have here tikoy. Since nag-boil na ang water, ato na dayong ibutang ang atong soup base. Next, atong stir. Next, ato nang ibutang atong seafood balls. Next, atong inuki mushroom. Next, ato nang ibutang atong meat. Ibutang na nato ang the rest. Next, let's wait nga mag-boil. See you later. So, nag-boil na. Luto na tong hot pot, guys. So, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Dip na to sa sauce. Taste test. Ooh. Let's try this one kung lami ba. So hot. Of course, healthy. We also have this one. Same rata ni ganina. Ay, lahi. Mura siyag egg. Kanay ganahan kay kong inuki. Now, let's try tikoy with egg. Mura siyag palitaw. Yum! Yummy. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye!